Anaya Taylor-Joy net jaats a telegram dinner die laufre gala during Paris Fashion Week, wearing a stunning silk champagne gown. The elegant event supports the Laufres Restauration projects and educational programs, blending art, culture and hege fashion. Diana Kruger captivated attendees in a bold, vergierige goventats of caset hertonet paisie, strikken confident poses voor fotograppers. Anaya, 29, kept her look minimal and sophisticated, opting for understated accessories and a soft pop of color on her lips, radiating effortless elegance. As the final stop in the global Big Fashion Weeks, Paris Fashion Week continues to celebrate the top designers and iconic moments. The gala heglig dit botte actresses red carpet prowess, liaving fans in awe of their impeccable style, glamour and poise. Proving by Anaya Taylor-Joy and Diana Kruger remain fashion icons in Hollywood and beyond.